In today's video, I'll show you how to fix CMS items not showing in Webflow. If your CMS items aren't appearing on your live site, start by checking their status. Make sure all items are published, as anything in draft mode will remain hidden. Next, verify your collection list binding by selecting the collection list wrapper and ensuring it's connected to the correct collection. Also, review the collection list settings to remove any filters or limits that might be hiding items, such as Limit 1 or invalid filter conditions. After making these adjustments, publish your site. Since changes to CMS content often require a publish to appear live. Finally, refresh your browser or clear your cache, as the designer view can sometimes display outdated content. And that's it. That's how you fix CMS items not showing in Webflow.